So nobody sat you down and explained how money and freedom actually work. Not school, not your job, not anywhere. So we built this channel that we wish we had. This is what it is and how to use it. Let's dive in.
We are Caleb and Mary Beth Lutz. We are here with what they don't teach you, the money and freedom conversation you have been waiting for someone to start.
Yep.
This is real talk, usually very chill, conversational conversations, all about both earning beyond your paycheck, building your personal influence, ultimately giving yourself freedom and what we call the freedom game. We are fully expecting to be years worth of content as we dive into each of these areas because it's so much. We're excited to share with you in the next video on the start page more about why we started this in the first place. But in short, we're former teachers who earn below the poverty line. Mm-hmm. We noticed the pattern of what was and wasn't taught. And as we've closed the gaps in our life, we've been putting together content to share this for a long time. Our last thought in this part is we very much are on the journey with all of you, Yep. Maybe just a couple steps down the road. And so we're so excited to be sharing this with you.
Yeah, it feels like we're definitely not, experts, I would say, but definitely more of, we've learned a lot. And
we've been at this for a little bit.
And, if you're watching this and you're someone who maybe you're great at your job, and you're tired of a ceiling that someone built for you. Maybe you're like a professional who creates value all day and you actually want to keep more or be paid more of what you're worth because you believe that you are worth more. Maybe you're just someone who's ambitious and you were never taught the money game, which I would definitely say we fell a lot into that category for sure. But ultimately, if you've ever thought there has to be more than this, you are absolutely 100% in the right place because we were there too. And again, that's why we started this. So,
in terms of a little more detail on what we're planning to cover here, one is going to be income streams. So much of the information out there is about you've got to save, you've got to put something aside for a rainy day. And all of that is very true. The reality is at some point, in order to have your time back, you have to begin earning beyond your current income circle. So you'll see resources all through our site. You'll see the income stream starter guide, a 90-day activation plan, your skills to income translator, and so many pieces to help you start learning and earning in areas that you haven't yet, but that are at your fingertips. The second one is building your personal influence. This is truly your workability with other people, your relational equity. And I meet so many people who have amazing hearts and who want to do good, but who see themselves very low and who are terrified of public speaking like I was, and who don't know how to interview well like I didn't. And again, we want to cover those topics and help those of you who are on this journey truly dive in, build that personal influence. The reality is you're already influencing people every day all around you. It's just whether you're being intentional with that for good or if you're just letting it go. Final topic is what we call the freedom game. This is everything on the secrets of wealth, owning your time. Some of it will also cover, if anyone is familiar with the Ruby, what is her name book, the framework for understanding poverty. Is it
Ruby Payne?
Ruby Payne.
Ruby Payne, yeah.
So this dives into a lot of the hidden rules behind both poverty, middle class, and the wealthy. The reality is poverty defined is a lack of resources, yes, financial, but also emotional, also role models, also mental, also spiritual. And so there are so many of these pieces that play into someone's ability to own their time and to own their choices that absolutely matter to your long-term success. So many of those areas we cannot wait to dive into with you.
Yes, we're very excited to do so. And If you found this video through our Start Here playlist, great. If you haven't, you can go to our channel and actually see a playlist that says Start Here. I would watch it in order. That would definitely set the foundation for what you can expect here. But then after that, feel free to explore by whatever topic you need. There's some sort of a pillar that you might need in your life right now, and our hope is that it would be here on this channel. And we do have quite a few free resources that are just on our website. You can actually go to the description box and you can just click the link and you can download them for absolutely free. I know you touched on a few of them earlier, but a few of those resources do include the Income Streams Index, which does a great overview of different types of income streams that you can have, maybe what a startup cost would be, maybe what a potential ROI timeframe would be on that. So just a great way to familiarize yourself with different income streams that are out there. Another one is called the Freedom Budget Tracker. That one is pretty essential and definitely a huge starter point. So many people don't just know even how to budget or even handle money. Again, our goal is to make that much less of a fear for people here on this channel. But those are really the best first two that you could go to. And feel free to subscribe to this channel as well. Every week we are going to be putting out new content for you to look at. And we are excited to be sharing all that we're still continuing to learn and are in the journey of learning with you. So
sometimes you will see us here in our studio, in our basement. This is beautifully built out. Sometimes you'll see us interviewing others through Zoom. Sometimes you will see us on the road. Each of those scenarios, again, we're excited to bring to you the heart of this content and help you move forward in life. As we close, we always want you to remember you always have a choice to change your life. Right. We'll see you guys soon.
see you soon.